One, just doing my check-in for the day, 7 days in, and today is a rough day. Yesterday it started setting in that I was craving things that normally I don't crave, and so I had to really stay focused on what I was doing, and today I just feel lousy. So, ultimately I just want to eat comfort foods and just relax, and I just know I can't do that. So I've taken an approach to, I'm going to support the body. I'm going to do some yoga today. I'm going to do a little bit of walking after dinner, nothing strenuous, just getting out. As far as my nutrition, I'm going to be doing my Body by Vi shakes and then just eat a light dinner. It's times like this that we start to fall into that, well, I'll just start over tomorrow. I only have 7 days invested. But the truth of it is I'm 7 days in. I'm 8 days tomorrow. It's not going to be 7 days today and 1 day tomorrow. That's a yo-yo game that we play, and even though I'm not feeling good, I can still support my body and support what's going on without falling off the track of my challenge. So because I look at this challenge as not a 90-day challenge, I look at this as a life challenge that changes things. I'm not looking at just doing this for 90 days. This is going to be my life, changing thing that I do, and so I think it's important that when things come up like this, you can't just go, well, forget it, I'll just try again tomorrow. So send me lots of love and support, and hopefully I'm feeling better by tomorrow, but today know that I'm still pushing through, and even though I feel like lousy and I just want to eat comfort stuff, it's not going to happen. I'm going to stay focused, and my weigh-in's going to be in a couple of days, so stay tuned to that. And again, thank you for all your guys' likes and liking my videos and support. It really means so much to me. So I will see you guys soon. Take care and happy Wednesday.